Hey, what's up, you guys? Time is back. This time we are here for a pour up or pour out video. The wifey is here.
Finally, y'all can see me this time.
And honestly, she's here because we're about to indulge in one of her favorite beverages. But before I get into that, if you guys like this type of stuff, you like watching us drink random things, maybe like watching us eat random things, who knows? Maybe you're a eat fetish person or a drinking fetish person. If you want us to make weird noises while we drink and eat, if you guys like that noise too, we definitely can do that. You know, just put your earphones in so the neighbor does not have to hear that. Turn that volume way up high, and we will do our best to keep you guys entertained with the smacking and gulping and all that. So, man, if you guys are new to this channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and comment and hit those likes as well. It'll all do great for this channel. So, today, wifey is here again because I said this is one of her favorite type of beverages, and that is wine. And this is wine in a can. So, if you guys have ever been to one of your local Total Wines, maybe your other grocery stores, and you're like, man, is it soda? Is it juice? Oh, no, it's wine. They actually put wine in the cans nowadays.
And this is from you're ready to go camping.
This is from Crafters Union, okay? And actually, this is quite.
It's a pretty cute.
Honestly, I think it's generous or genius to do it in the can because let's just say you got a few of these, and then say you got a few bottles, right? You're going on a trip, you're going on a camping trip, you're outdoors. You get there, you pop that bottle of wine open, but you realize you don't have a cork. And now you're in the middle of nowhere. You don't get no reception, so you can't find weird ways of opening up a bottle on YouTube. But if you got these, crack the can wide open. Shotgun this thing if you have to. Man, you know what? That would be pretty cool to shotgun a wine. It would be kind of, I don't know how that would be. You'd probably get hammered quick. But Crafters Union, this is made in California. Man, I was lucky enough to get these for 99 cents a can today. So I'm not sure how much they are any other time, but made in California, vented and canned by Crafters Union in San Diego. Man, if you guys never been to San Diego, beautiful city. Probably the best weather in the whole U.S. Just nice and sunny and bright.
So you can find them usually at Total Wine or World Market. I think those are usually everywhere for about $6.99 or $5.49.
I'm not sure if that's a can or what.
Yep,
per can or a bottle. So now the wifey is looking. Some wines do not have the highest score.
So it's $16.99 for a 4-pack. Oh.
So you're looking at about $3.50 to $4, $4.25 per can. Got it for $1, so you can't beat that. Now, what I just seen on there from Total Wine, you know what? We're going in with the Total Mind, with this Total Wine. Did not look like it had the greatest of scores as far as like the reviews. 3.5 out of 5. Usually these smaller little wine places like this, they usually get the high scores, 4.5, 4.8, so 3.5.
But look at the artwork, though. It's really cute. It
definitely someone who lives in San Diego or San Francisco or Portland, somewhere in that region, definitely painted that can. Really but this is a Pinot Grigio, so Pinot Grigio should be nice and crisp. Look at that pour. Look at that. We did chill this a little bit. I do like a nice chilled wine. Look at that. See, much easier to pour too than a big bottle. What if you got this? What if you got small hands and the bottle's like really big? Look how easy that was to pour, okay? So, nice, easy to fit in the hand, okay? You can think about this. This is probably 2 glasses worth, okay? If you had gone to grab a big bottle of wine, maybe you don't finish the other 2. Now you got to stick that cork back in there. You got to figure out what to do. Or you just got to drink all of it that night. So this is good for a 2-person or, man, even 1 person. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like with if 2 people were to get this. So if we kind of even this out, you're getting about, this should be about a 12-ounce can. So you're looking at about a good 6 ounces each. So that's pretty good right there. I think that's really nice.
And really, you're only supposed to pour until about that bulge there anyways. So.
By the way, take a look at these cool glasses. These glasses are very nice.
Real crystal.
Very, very nice. Listen to that noise. Ooh. I know that's going to sound great on those earbuds. But here we go. Again, Pinot Grigio should be nice and grapey, nice and crisp. Shouldn't be overly sweet. Should be just right, nice and mellow. It's probably good with a nice white fish, if you will.
Chicken, pasta. It's not overly sweet, but it is very light and crisp. Refreshing. It's a summer drink. Summer wine, I would assume.
Now, I'm not a... Luckily, I don't wear lipstick, or else you guys would see that big lip smear right there. The wifey did just put a little bit of grease on my lips before that. But look at that. If I were to die tomorrow, the FBI know whose lips those are in that glass. Mine.
But look at his lips. Don't they look nice? Nice and rosé.
But I'm not a wine aficionado by no means.
But it's refreshing, right?
But it is refreshing. That is a nice, crisp,
cool,
nice. If this is like a nice summertime and you're out
on our patio,
like on the patio or something, this would be a very nice, enjoyable beverage to drink. Actually, very nice.
Nice daytime wine, I always say. But any wine is for any time, whenever you feel like drinking it. I say.
If you're not too much into the heavily sweet wines, this is actually perfect because it's not too sweet. There's just a touch there.
But you can taste a little fruit.
Yep. Nice and grapey, though, too. Mm-hmm. Nice and grapey. I'm actually digging that. That's actually quite delicious, actually. I like it.
Yeah.
Nice and refreshing. Again, I don't know what the world's best Pinot Grigio tastes like. This tastes pretty much like any other Pinot Grigio that I've ever had. So, with that being said, I would definitely recommend this. And again, I would recommend this just because of the simplicity of it. Again, if you're going out, you don't want to carry too many bottles. You carry like 5 of these instead of like 5 bottles. Look at that. Each person can have one of these too. You guys can really go nuts and again shotgun one of these. I don't know if that would work because there's no bubbles in here. Is there bubbles in this? No, I don't think so.
No.
So it probably wouldn't work the same. You'd probably literally have to suck it out of that can. Like go sucking it.
Do you feel sexy when you drink your wine?
I do. Be careful with wine though, you guys. If you're not a big wine drinker, wine will creep up on you quick.
It has him doing karaoke from time to time, and there's not even any music. He sings right into his glass.
So it does say that right on the side. 1 can equals about 2.5 glasses. So that's awesome.
Do you want to show them?
Right on the side, there you go.
Yep.
It's right there. You see that little picture with the shows you that 1 can is worth that much. And man, if you can find these on clearance for $1, grab like 20 of them, and you'll be good. You'll have a nice party going.
And we should have showed them. So if you guys grabbed a few of those and you're having like a dinner party, you could have easily put them into a decanter. No one would ever know that you spent like $5 on some cans.
Yep. Especially if you tell them you bought it from a winery in San Diego. They're probably going to think you spent a fortune on that wine.
Because it tastes delicious, and I would just maybe want to be super fancy, cut some fruit up in there, have like a daytime brunch, and with your girlfriends make a charcuterie board, and there you go.
You know what? We're going to pour just because, I don't want to drink too much wine tonight. We do have one more to taste. And we'll just share the glass. Don't want to have you guys watching us drink the whole glass and then watch us drink the next one. So we're going to try to speed this up somewhat. Now this next one is a rosé, again straight from that San Diego, again that Crafters Union Winery. Now I haven't really had too many rosés before, so I'm not sure. Are these more sweeter than Pinot Grigios, or?
They're a little bit sweeter. I think it'll be a little sweeter than the Pinot Grigio.
Let's see what kind of color we're working with on this one.
Should be
again,
a little
a rosé.
pinky.
Maybe a nice pinky color, and it is. It's kind of got this peachy pink, if you will.
Give us a good 6 ounces again.
Look at that. Oh,
It is pretty. Does it go with my outfit? No. Pink is my favorite color.
I'll let you drink it first.
Does it smell good?
It does smell pretty good.
Yeah.
That's the thing too. You know, and say, okay, for one, if you got a bottle, or maybe say you went camping or something and you brought the bottles, but then you forgot the glasses. See this, if you didn't have glasses, just drink it like a soda. Now, I don't know. That would be weird, drinking wine just like a soda. Something tells me you still have to drink wine. No matter what it comes from, a bottle, a box, a juice box, you still got to kind of pour it into a glass. It just makes sense, I think. Whereas beer, you can chug that out of the can, you can chug it in a glass, chug it off someone's foot, it doesn't matter. Wine is a different story. I feel like wine needs to be in a glass for it to be enjoyable. Let's try this out.
And it can't just be any old wine glass. I can't lie, when we first got together, we did have cheap wine glasses, but now that we've matured, we've gotten better.
Try that one more time, a little bit more, because it almost is close to the Pinot Grigio as far as the sweetness, but I am getting a hint of a different fruit. Now that one was more grapey. This one has a hint of something I can't.
I felt like it was like a pear, or maybe not pear, but
Tastes like to me,
strawberry.
it's almost like a berry. It could be strawberry. I was thinking either strawberry or
I got a pear
maybe
and
even
strawberry.
peach, but yeah, strawberries. Look at that. Graceful and delicate with enticing flavors of fresh cut flowers, strawberries, watermelon, and white peaches. So did I call peaches or did I call peaches? Enjoy this radiant rosé wherever you go. Drink chilled.
I said strawberry and pear.
So I like that a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Another one that is going to be nice and refreshing on a summer day. Nice, easy to drink wine with a piece of chicken, grilled piece of fish.
Chocolate.
Definitely not a steak. This doesn't scream steak dinner right here. Steak, you're
Red wine.
going to want to keep those Merlots for that. But nice piece of chicken, nice piece of white fish,
Chocolate.
some nice grilled vegetables, some chocolate, maybe even some cheese board, maybe some nice charcuterie board. Yeah.
You know, I made him a charcuterie board one time and he didn't enjoy it.
She tried to make me a charcuterie board with budding meat.
No, I didn't. But I did have goat cheese on there.
I'm like, man, this meat tastes like it has bone fragments in it. What is this? It was budding turkey. I knew it was budding turkey because it was rolled up like a cigar almost. Hey, don't lie, those budding meats are pretty good if you're kind of like
I haven't
hungry.
seen those lately. Do they even make those anymore?
So, these are both pretty good, okay? Now, this is, again, coming from non-wine aficionados. We are not the
official.
end-all, tell-all, so do not come to us for...
I mean, we do frequent wineries often, but
we are not experts by no
and
means.
we do have a wine shelf over there.
We do.
We'll have to show it to you one day. It also has a latte maker on there, but that's another story.
So, with that being said, if you are a wine aficionado, you might not like these, but if you are just a average wine consumer, okay? And again, you have to be open to different tastes, okay? Because there are people that just like sweet wine, ones that taste like juice, or ones that are kind of more mature like these, because these are more mature, because young people might not like this because there's really not that much sweetness to it.
Well, the young people who grew up on Merlot and dipping into their parents' stash, they might be okay with it.
But with that being said, both of these are pretty good. For canned wine, this is actually
pretty dang decent.
good. Crafters Union. out there in San Diego, California, again with their cool artsy cans.
I like it. It looks like a Vera Bradley bag, right, ladies? Some guys might not.
Yeah.
You know, you bought several Vera Bradley bags in your day, right?
Let me see what kind of alcohol percentage is in this thing.
Yeah, it kind of got me.
Yeah, 12.5%. Now, fellas, you know, don't go out there. Okay, this is for the fellas now. Okay, don't go out there mocking your girl because you know she's drinking that little girly wine and you got this IPA, because I'm telling you, fellas, this will tear you up faster than those things. 12% alcohol is a lot. Okay, a typical IPA is about 8 to 9, sometimes 7. So do not mock your wife or girl when she's drinking this wine. Do not call her little girl, little sissy drinks. These wines are kind of heavy. I'm getting a little, I mean, I'm not saying I'm buzzed yet.
Let's see those cheeks.
But if I were to drink this whole thing, I would be buzzed. I would be toasty. But let me drink one more sip of this.
Drink a whole glass.
No wonder why the wifey's trying to make me drink it. She's trying to take advantage of me later tonight. Why not? Why not? But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, you like the humor, the entertainment. Sorry for you guys if you do like the smacking and the loud gurgling. We didn't do that on this one.
We don't allow that in this house.
Wine is kind of hard to gargle, so it was kind of hard to do. I wanted to do it just to please you wine drinking fetish people, but just couldn't do it.
And plus, there's a rule in this house.
There's no smacking allowed at this house. If you smack, you go outside, regardless of what the temperature is outdoors. You go outside to eat. But with that being said, we are going to get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Peace.